video, I show you two different pegboards that I am making. This is one of them I had in my messy sewing room. It's a 2x4, top by 3/16 of an inch. 3/16 inch. I'm about to paint right now. I have it sitting on a dolly and some paper up under it. And all the paint that I used, I'll just leave in the subscription, and just keep watching. Okay, my pegboard is silver. It's a little bit brighter than I wanted, but it's done.
It's long.
Hmm?
What is this?
I don't know. I'll put that up. This is the second pegboard. Right here I got a little stencil, and I'm going to paint this with yellow. I'm going to paint this design across the whole pegboard, and I'll leave the description of the paint in the description box. And right here, I'm just trying to make sure I don't get paint everywhere. And my brother is trying to show me how to paint, and it's windy and I'm messing it up. But just keep watching. we clamp the edge of the frame. This is a mitered saw that I got from Lowe's, and it was really difficult at sawing this crown molding. So I ended up getting an electric saw. I didn't show that on camera, but yeah, I had to go ahead and get an electric saw to saw those mitered corners. And as you can see, my brother-in-law, it was really difficult sawing that together. And again, after you do your project, please don't work on it. It's a mess. But overall, just keep watching. You can see how difficult it was with this saw. It didn't work on the crown molding. I suggest you have to get an electric saw. Keep watching. Okay, we got it all four sides cut and ready to repaint, and then ready to put together, and that's it. If you like, thumbs up this video and subscribe.
No.
Okay, I couldn't staple the ends together. It wouldn't work out right, but I got it all together. I had to use this wood glue, waterproof exterior and interior. It's by Titebond. So I went and just glued it on top of the pegboard. I like it, but it could use a lot more work. But next time I'll do it a little better. And that's it. Okay, I'm gluing the boards onto the pegboard now. I'm using Titebond wood glue, and I just spread some of the glue. I tried staples. Staples wouldn't work for me that good, so I'm using the glue to stick it on and then clamping them. I got a lot of scuff marks in my wood. I should have painted it afterwards, but I'm gonna try this again and try to make it go a little bit better, since I know how it should be now. Okay. I'm gonna stick the wood on the board now and show you how it goes. Okay, this is how it is finished. I don't quite know if I want it in this area because I have so much of this in the way right now. This is other stuff, that miscellaneous stuff that I had up here. So I'm gonna see how, if I take all of this down. This just have like a lot of my fabrics that I put away in it, but I think I'm going to move all of this to make room for my beautiful pegboard. And I'll show you how it looks after I'm done. Okay, these are the things you're going to need to mount the pegboard. I got some Durahook pegboard mounting hook, and that's how it's supposed to go into the wall. You really don't need a wood, how they said, a wood framing around your pegboard. This is do just fine, but I just like how it looks. But this is how it comes. I got it from Amazon, less than $10. And then you're gonna need your husky. Oh, excuse me. You're not gonna need the toilet paper, not unless you wanna blow your nose. But this is a level. This is a level, and this is how you know it's straight, is when the water is right between those two bars. And I use this to mount it on the wall to make sure my pegboard is straight. And of course, a screwdriver. So those are everything. Those are all the things you're gonna need. Excuse me. Okay, it's hanging on the wall. I use 3 mounts, 3 spacers to put it up. One on each side, and then one at the bottom just to hold it up. I think it's gonna hold pretty good, pretty well. And there you have it. There's a lot of little bitty things that the next time I do this, I'll be able to do it better. Cause like that right there, I got a little paint on the actual, excuse me, design, excuse me. Okay, I'll be cutting that out. This right here is a multiple tool holder. It's by Everbuilt. And you just place them inside the holes like that, and it just go simple right there. I'll take that tag down later. I just wanted to show you how it looks.